right, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, June the 6th. Seeing a lot of early morning volatility, so before we get started, let's take a look and see what we're going to be trading this morning. Once again, keep in mind that everything that we're doing here is only for demonstrational purposes only. Do not attempt to make these trades. There's more to trading than just taking a buy and a sell. We have a full method on how to make these trades, and that is something that we teach, but here we're only showing this so we can demonstrate the effectiveness of this approach, which we don't use any indicators. Everything is based on what we call behavioral patterns. Something I discovered over 30 years ago, and they are universal, these patterns, meaning that they can be used in any freely traded market. So, but right now, here's what we're going to be looking at. If you look on the top right-hand corner, you're going to see a list of symbols. ES obviously is going to be the E-mini S&P. We've got RTY, it's going to be your mini Russell, YM mini Dow, and NQ for your mini Nasdaq. Also going to be watching gold, watching silver, SI, CL for crude, and NG for natural gas. Those that like to trade Bitcoin will also be watching some Bitcoin, BTC. With this, with the indices and the commodities, we will be using something called Einstein. That is going to give us an entry, a profit target, and or reversal if we don't hit profit target. And then on the currencies, Aussie US, Euro US, and US Yen, we're going to be using one of 5 different core patterns. The core patterns are something that we teach in the core class, and those trades typically last no more than 4 to 5 minutes on average, where with Einstein, we wait either to hit target or reversal. So we're going to do a quick scan here and see what we have. Have a potential short coming up over here on the US Yen to start the day. And it's no longer a short on the yen. Let's see what else we have here. We do have a buy coming up on the Euro US. The buy on the Euro US is going to be 1.0717. I have to wait for it to drop. So if we get closer to 0717, I will go ahead and 0717. I'm sorry, 0717. I'll go ahead and I'll take that for a buy position. I do not see that yet. So right now I have no trades on the yen, no trades on the euro. We are also getting a short now on the gold. Getting a short on the gold. Okay, short on the gold. That gold short is coming in anything above 1855. My target on gold is going to bring me down to 1852. 1852. That is going to be my profit target. And if I need to reverse on the gold, if I don't hit my target, I'm going to reverse and go long at 1861. 1861. Okay, so far the only thing we have this morning is we're short of gold. Never dipped far enough on the euro, so no trade on the euro US. All right, so far pretty quiet this morning. Still short the gold target on that gold. That's going to be 1851. All right, so we have a potential pattern setting up here. We call it HF2, potential HF2 buy coming into the crude. Nothing yet. We'll see. It's trying to form. If it holds, then we'll have a buy on the crude oil. Still short our gold. Have nothing on the indices yet. Indices, all the indices are pretty strong this morning. For our overnight trades, let's take a look at our overnight trades. Okay, overnight trades coming in short on a natural gas. We're coming in long on a Euro US, and we're coming on short on a USD CHF. US franc, Euro US, and gas. Once again, those positions are put on the night before, so those were put on last night, and we'll just let them go and expire today. We're using the exact same patterns on the dailies that we use whether we're trading 5 minutes, hourlies. They are the exact same patterns that we teach in Crystal Ball and Core. So pretty quiet. Oh, nice, John. Good job. That's what you want to do, for sure, for sure. Good morning, Yolanda. Okay, still really quiet. Only thing we have on is short this gold. You know, Ken, that's a good question. The question is anyone trading bonds? No, but let me see here. I could probably, I could tell you what I'm seeing on bonds. I do follow that. Let me see. Yeah, I don't show any setups on bonds. I show it coming down, continuing to come down. I don't have any setups on bonds. At least for it, I don't have any setups for a daily trade. I don't have my short term charts here to give you any short term trades or Einstein, but I do show that bonds are continuing to come down. I don't have any trades on that. Last trade that I had was back on May 27th for a short. That's all I had. May 27th, I had a short. All right, crude is still trying to form that HF2. I'll let you know if it finishes. If so, we'll have a buy going on the crude oil. Possible HF1 setting up for natural gas for a buy. Don't have anything on that yet. Still short gold. That's the only thing we actually have in play is short of gold. Target of 1852. Okay, crude just went long. Natural gas also went long. Let's start off with natural gas. Give you a target on natural gas first. Looking at 919 on natural gas is going to be the profit target. 919. And if we don't hit target, I will reverse at 910, 910. Crude oil's profit target is going to be 120.15. If I need to reverse on crude, it's going to bring me down to 118.65. So now we're long natural gas, long crude, short gold. Dow's going to open up here in about 2 minutes. We are expecting a higher opening. Okay, we pulled back on that natural gas and went ahead and added to that long natural gas. Crude oil is still long. Short gold, long natural gas. Okay, getting our first short on one of the indices now. Be careful. This is going to be on the mini Dow, which is the symbol's YM. Okay, target on YM is going to bring you down to 330.13. And we will reverse if it goes up to 331.63. Dow's up 175 right now. Still short gold. Now we're short the mini Dow. Still long crude. Natural gas just hit its target. Okay, getting out of that natural gas. Still on crude, short gold, and short your mini Dow. Watching RTY for a potential short. My favorites are going to be RTY and ES. Then YM, then NQ, which is going to be your mini Nasdaq. Okay, we have potential double buy coming up on the US yen. Gonna watch that. If that holds, we'll have a buy on the US yen. It's gonna be a double buy, double pap. Okay, RTY went short, getting a short now on RTY. RTY is gonna be your mini Russell. Target on that Russell with the RTY is going to bring us down to 1889. It's going to be our target, 1889. Reversal, if we don't hit 1889, we're going to reverse here at 1904. 1904. Still short. We are still short on the mini Dow. Short on mini Russell. Approaching target on mini Russell. Okay, did not get that double buy on the yen, so no trade on the yen. Do have a short on the Euro US. That's an 0713 short on the Euro US. 1.0713 short. All right, RTY just hit its target. So exit RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. Still short Euro US, short gold, long crude. Possible short coming up on ES and on the mini Nasdaq. Possible short coming up on silver. Watching silver. Silver's a slow mover. Not one of my favorites, but I mean, it's a good market. It just moves very slowly. Very slowly. About a minute to go to holding on to this Euro US. We're going to exit on this Euro US here in about a minute. Still short 0713. We're sitting at 0709 and 0709.7. Still short gold. Still short the mini Dow YM. ES just went short. Getting a short on the E-mini S&P. Target on that ES is going to bring us down to, let's see here, 41.3475. And if we don't hit target, we will reverse and go long at 41.53.5. Okay, now we have short the E-mini S&P, short the mini Dow, short gold, still long crude. Out of the Euro US with a nice little win on that. All right, gold just hit target, so we're going to get out of this gold short. Reversed on ES. ES reversed and went long. $41.59.75 is going to be the target on that ES. So now that puts the reversal on the ES to be 41. Getting a short now on silver. Getting a short on silver. Target on silver is going to bring us down to 22.16. That's going to be our profit target. If we don't hit target, need to reverse. Going to reverse at 22.53. I don't see anything here on the currencies. Short silver, reverse went long ES. Be careful on that ES. Short short YM, which is your mini Dow. NQ's trying to set up a short, but not yet. Watching that. All right, so we're still hanging tight. Long ES, which is your mini ES, mini S&P 500. Still holding short on the mini Dow. Holding short silver and long crude. Possible buy coming up on your US yen. Going to watch for that. NQ just went short. NQ just went short, which is going to be your mini Nasdaq. Target on the mini Nasdaq is going to bring us down to 126.45. That is our profit target. If I need to reverse, I'm going to reverse at 127.57.5. ES reversed and went short. ES reversed and went short. Target on ES now brings you down to 41.34 and a half. 41.34 and a half. Now your reversal is going to bring you up to 41.53 and a half. Okay, short ES, still short the mini Dow. NQ is so short. Short silver. Target on silver is 22.16. Still on crude oil. Reversal on crude is going to be 118.65. Target 120.15. Dow's up 209, pulling back just a little bit here. Right, no setups yet on the yen. Waiting on the yen. Nothing on the euro. Nothing on the Aussie. All right, still hanging tight on the short ES. Mini Dow still short. NQ still short, which is your mini Nasdaq. Silver still short. Crude just hit and reversed one short. All right, let's get a target on this crude. Target on crude is going to bring you down to 118.15. And if we need the reverse on crude, it's going to bring us up to 119.65. All right, so we're coming up on the top of the hour. We have about a minute to go here. So once again, if you have any questions, you can always go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. You can get a hold of me that way if you have any questions. I do answer all my emails personally. Also, if you'd like to learn more about my strategies, you can go to my YouTube channel, Binary Pro Strategies. Plenty of educational material out there. Make sure if you're there and you haven't watched the fundamental video, please watch that fundamental video. Also, I have one on Einstein there as well to give you a little bit better idea of what I'm looking at when I'm trading Einstein. And that is going to be it for today. So thank you all for joining us. Please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. And if you like these videos, also subscribe and hit the notification bell. We do have a new video coming out today that if you hit the notification bell, you'll be the first to be notified. And that's going to be it. Everybody have a good trading day, and we'll see you first thing in the morning.